always talk about seasonal products being very risky, and a lot of new sellers on Amazon would consider selling seasonal products, specifically summer products, as being very risky. But the reality of the matter is that in both the UAE and Saudi Arabia, summer is certainly not a short season. It's more or less like a 6-month season, whereas in other countries, specifically maybe in Europe, it's more or less like a 2 to 3 months season. With that being said, in this video, we're going to be exploring whether or not you should be, as a new beginner seller, selling seasonal summer products on Amazon UAE KSA. Let's get to work. Some of the best performing categories on Amazon UAE and KSA in summer are categories that are in demand all the time, but primarily we see a spike in those categories during the summer season. We're talking about home, kitchen, beauty and personal care, fashion, health and nutrition, outdoors, baby essentials, and definitely appliances. We find a lot of products during the summer season tend to also have a spike in demand in those particular categories. We're talking about reusable water bottles, reusable ice packs, believe it or not, countertop ice makers or ice makers in general, sandals, and all fashion accessories related to summer, moisturizer, personal care, because the sun does definitely affect us, and pest control for outdoor spaces, primarily for people who have gardens. With that being said, let's take it step by step and dive into particular products that you might be interested to sell. Now, of course, when you want to sell products, you need to get ready beforehand. That's why I'm making this video right now. And by the way, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon partner and service provider supporting sellers on Amazon in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you want a little bit more support and you want to work with a team that's dedicated to your success on Amazon, whether you are currently a seller or not, then I would recommend that you check out our programs on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll be able to also book a call with our team where we'll walk you through all of the services that we provide. With that being said, the one thing that you need to think about during the summer season is that the products that you want to sell actually solve a problem. I think the summer problems are somewhat obvious. Heat, hydration, travel, some outdoor activities, children and kids spending more time at home since schools mostly are out, and generally speaking, people looking for more convenience as the weather is a little bit hot. Now, when you want to sell a product during the summer or that targets a lot the summer, please try to answer these 3 smart questions. Question number 1, what products become more necessary in summer? Question number 2, what becomes more annoying in summer? And question number 3, what products are convenient in the hot weather? Let's talk about good product angles to focus on if you intend to sell products in summer. And starting off with what we said in the beginning, hydration products. Here we're talking about insulated tumblers, drinkware, reusable bottles. In fact, Amazon UAE already says that reusable water bottles and insulated tumblers are a must-have during the summer in the UAE. What about cooling and outdoor support? Okay, it's hot, but we're not going to spend our life inside. So let's consider reusable ice packs, lunchbox cooling solutions, picnic and beach accessories. Amazon in the UAE says that there is an extreme spike in summer products and beach-related accessories during springtime in the UAE. Now let's talk about hot weather home convenience items. Number 1, ice makers. Number 2 is a little bit of an odd one, but still we see a spike in demand, under cabinet lights. Anything that fall under the home comfort items. And Amazon in the UAE specifically flags ice makers, either countertop ice makers or the standard ice cube trays, as being very smart products to sell also starting the spring season, as most people tend to start drinking iced beverages, even iced coffee during summer. I know a lot of people that drink iced coffee all year round, but still you get more of a demand for ice and cold drinks during summer. Summer fashion, for those of you that like to sell fashion on Amazon, think about sandals, think about travel-friendly accessories, because fashion doesn't just include clothing. So any travel-friendly accessory would be something that you want to sell. And Amazon in the UAE sells sandals, become such an important item to sell on Amazon during the summer season. Now, it is quite difficult to sell sandals as there's a lot of design elements, there's a lot of sizing, so it's a little bit of a complicated product for beginners, but still we see a spike in demand. Beauty and personal care, and I know a lot of our viewers love this category. We're talking about moisturizers, we're talking about hair care, and we're talking about summer scents and perfumes. Everything has a lot of demand during summer. Amazon UAE says beauty and personal care remains as strong as ever, even in summer, because customers and consumers always like to try new items. Now you have an idea, let's talk a little bit primarily about products that you should be avoiding, specifically if you are a beginner seller on Amazon. Now remember, you don't want to avoid these products just because they're summer related, but avoid them, number one, if they have heavy compliance requirements. Number two, if there's a very strong brand dominance. Even if you want to sell personal cosmetics or personal care items, you don't want to go up against, for example, the huge K-beauty, Korean beauty brands. Number three, if you don't have strong margins, you also want to make sure that you avoid those types of products. And number four, which we talk about all the time, oversized items, as shipping becomes very expensive. Seasonal is good, and in particular, a long season like summer. We're not talking like Valentine's Day gifts here, where it's only one day, or Mother's Day or Father's Day. We're talking about a long season for the UAE and KSA. They are good if, number one, you see demand for these products via data, not via your own personal understanding of what demand is. Number two, sourcing is easy. You can easily find these products either locally or internationally, and it's easy to ship them into the market where you intend to sell them. And number three, even if the season cools down, you can still keep selling these products. And that's the uniqueness of the UAE and KSA, as the weather is lovely all year round. It becomes incredibly hot during summer for sure, but it remains sunny and beautiful summer weather, and people remain going to the beach, for example, almost all year round. Here's the takeaway of this video. Ensure that you don't sell gimmicks and trendy TikTok items, as no matter where you are trying to sell them, those are very short-lived. Look for products that really solve customer problems, that have a spike in demand during summer, but also are consistently in demand all year round. Let me know what you think. Would you think about selling any of the products that I recommended in the video? I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.